Good morning. Now we will learn vocabulary from Vaccine Drive. That's today's editorial topic in Hindu's newspaper. The first one is unveiled. Spelling it's UNVEILED. It's a verb meaning something to remove, a cover, a curtain from the painting or a statue so that it can be seen in the public first time. Example, India COVID-19 vaccine policy recently unveiled. And the second word, that is allowances, spelling ALLOWANCES, allowances. It's a noun, an amount of money that is given to subject regularly for particular purpose. Example, like clothing, living, or traveling allowances. Third word is render. It's a verb meaning to cause subject something to be in particular state of condition. Example, hundreds of people rendered homeless by earthquake. Render also meaning giving help. They rendered assistance to disaster victims. The fourth one is herd immunity. It is a very this word can be explained like this: when most people in the when the most people are immune to infectious disease, this provides indirect protection or herd immunity to other people. Here, when in the population, 60 to 70% people are become resistant to the particular disease, then the spreading of the same disease to the other individual will be almost become null. That process is called as herd immunity. The next word is a rampage. The spelling of the word is RAMPAGES. Noun meaning a sudden period of wild and violent behavior, often causing damage and destruction. Example, gang of youths went on a rampage in the city yesterday. The next word is wand. It's a noun meaning straight, thin stick that is held by subject when performing magic. Example, vaccination is not a magic wand to protect public from the infectious diseases. The next word is roped. The spelling is ROPED, roped. To persuade subject to join in activity or help to do something even when they don't want to do. Example, more than 154,000 auxiliary nurses, midwives, workers on universal immunization will be roped as vaccinators. The next word is beef up. BEF up. to make something bigger, better, or more interesting. Example, as a government before the vaccination, they need to clear fog on the safety and efficacy to the people. And the next word is efficacy. Safety, here I want to explain safety and efficacy of the vaccine. Safety of the vaccine means when you inject the vaccine to the healthy individual, the individual should not suffer because of the shot. And efficacy means when an individual is injected with the vaccine, the individuals are supposed to get protect from the infectious disease. That rate is called as efficacy. Generally, vaccines which have a efficacy of 70 to 80% are subjected to approval, and they are under use. That's what is efficacy. Then next word is rung, R-U-N-G. It's a noun, meaning a horizontal support in a ladder for a person's foot, or a level in hierarchical structure. Example, we must ensure that low skilled do not trapped on the bottom rung. The next word is undone. It's an adjective, usually before noun, not fastened or tied. Example, our blouse had come undone. The next word is astancy. It's a noun, the state or quality being slow or uncertain in doing something. I have noticed, example, I noticed a certain astancy in his voice. The next word is sequel. It's a noun, a condition which is the consequence of previous disease or injury. Example, the long-term sequel of infection. The next word is realm, R-E-A-L-M. It's a noun meaning a kingdom, field, domain, or area or arena. Post-vaccination, example, post-vaccination adverse effects shall be placed in the public realm or space. The last and final word is shots. They are also called as injections. They are nothing but vaccination, injection. Now the last, final word I forgot to tell you, it's not well laid plans. So vaccination must be done with the well laid plans. If not, the results would be different from the expected. Final comment. The vaccination in a world, they are having their own reputation to eradicate the most dangerous diseases. But vaccine for the flu, corona family, the validity is hardly 6 months to 9 months. But vaccination will help us to stop the march of virus, but it will not protect us from the getting infected. What is most important is right now maintaining the physical distance and proper usage of sanitizer are the most important things to be done. At the end, WHO director said that the vaccines are light at the end of the tunnel. So we have ran the tunnel, but vaccine is at the end. So how far it is going to help to fight against the corona. Thank you all for listening. If at all you like it, just subscribe so that you will not miss the upcoming videos.